In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit text in photos with Gemini AI while keeping the same design. Whether you're sprucing up personal photos or working on a professional project, these steps will help you make seamless edits without losing the essence of the original image. First, let's start by opening your preferred web browser. We'll need to access Google, so make sure you have a stable internet connection. Once you're online, head over to Google. If you have it bookmarked, that's perfect. Otherwise, simply type Google in the search bar and hit enter. Now, in the Google search bar, type Google Gemini. This search will lead us to the AI tool we'll be using for our image editing. Once you've typed it in, press enter and sift through the search results. You're looking for a link that takes you directly to Google Gemini. It should be among the first couple of results, so go ahead and click on it. Once you reach the Google Gemini homepage, you'll see an option that says Create Image. Go ahead and select that. This is the gateway to uploading and editing our image within Gemini's interface. In the next step, you'll notice a plus sign icon on the page. Clicking on this icon allows you to upload the image you want to edit. Choose an image from your device that contains text you'd like to alter, ensuring it's a suitable image for this type of editing. After your image is uploaded, it's time to generate a prompt for the AI. This is a crucial step as the quality of your prompt impacts the final result significantly. For example, if you're editing a sign that originally says Amazon Go, you might want to change it to AI Mastery. When you create your prompt, specify that you want to replace the text Amazon Go with AI Mastery while maintaining all other design elements. Be specific about matching the font style, size, position, and color to ensure the edit looks natural and consistent with the original image. Once you're satisfied with your prompt, the next step is straightforward. Look for the Submit button on the page and click it. This will send your image and prompt to the AI for processing. Depending on the complexity of the task, the AI might take a few moments to generate your new image. And there you have it. You've successfully edited text in a photo using Gemini AI while keeping the same design intact. This method is incredibly versatile, and once you get the hang of it, you'll be able to refine countless images without affecting their original style and design. Happy editing!